students, welcome to English class. Today in this video we will do question answers, word meanings and few book exercises of the chapter Happy Deepavali. So open your notebook and start writing. We will begin with word meanings. So 4 word meanings are there in your notebook. Put the heading word meanings. Students, you can write in your notebook, put the heading वर्ड मीनिंग्स. हम सबसे पहले क्या लिखने जा रहे हैं? वर्ड मीनिंग्स. वर्ड मीनिंग्स मीन्स शब्द अर्थ, शब्दों के अर्थ. फर्स्ट इज स्टोर रूम. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट वर्ड? स्टोर रूम. Storeroom. What is storeroom? Storeroom, a room to store extra things. A room to store extra things. Extra things, वो रूम, स्टोर रूम क्या है? वो जगह जहां पर हम घर का फालतू सामान रखते हैं. एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स जहां पर रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज डिलीशियस. व्हाट इज डिलीशियस स्टूडेंट्स? डिलीशियस क्या है? टेस्टी. डिलीशियस, डिलीशियस, टेस्टी, स्वादिष्ट. The sweets were delicious which the Rohan's mother and grandmother made. Next word meaning which is given in your book is pledge. Pledge means promise, pratigya. Pledge, P-L-E-D-G-E. Pledge. Pledge means promise. Rohan pledged, took a pledge that he will not burst crackers on this Deepavali. Next word meaning is vanished. Vanished. Vanished means गायब हो जाना. Went away. Rohan's all happiness vanished. Vanished, went away. दूर चले जाना. Now next we will do, students, tick the correct options in your book. So first is, this is exercise A given on page number 47. Page number 47. First exercise, tick the correct option to complete each sentence. First is Rohan's mother called him to. Rohan की मदर ने उसे क्यों बुलाया था? Where will you tick? Help her clean the storeroom. This exercise is given on page number 47. Tick the correct option and this is exercise A. First is, where will you tick? Help her clean the storeroom. You will tick on help her clean the storeroom. Help her clean the storeroom. Next is, Rohan was sad as his mother had. रोहन क्यों दुखी था? Why? Because his mother had refused to buy him crackers. उसकी माँ ने पटाखे लाने से उसके लिए मना कर दिया था. Refused to buy him crackers. उसकी माँ ने पटाखे लाने से, उसके लिए पटाखे लाने से मना कर दिया था. Crackers. Next, third is Rohan's sister Anjali reminded him. रोहन की बहन अंजलि ने उसे क्या रिमाइंड कराया? About the pledge that they took at the school. वो pledge जो उन्होंने स्कूल में ली थी. About the pledge. Tick on this. About the pledge. About the pledge they took at school. They took at school. वो प्लेज जो उन्होंने स्कूल में ली थी. कौन सी प्लेज? कि हम पटाखे नहीं चलाएंगे। नाउ फोर्थ इज रोहन्स ग्रैंडमा वॉज मेकिंग, रोहन की ग्रैंडमा क्या बना रही थी? गुलाब जामुन्स एंड गुजियास। सो यू विल टिक ऑन फोर्थ, गुलाब जामुन्स and gujiyas. Rohan's grandmother was making gulab jamun and gujiyas. So you will tick, students, tick on correct option. 4 are there. I have written the correct option. You have to tick, put a tick in front of the circle which is made in the book. So students, here you will tick, okay, in the circle given in front of this exercise. Now next we will write question answer. So I am going to rub it. If you have not done anything, you can pause your video to complete your work. So next is question answers. I am going to rub this to write question answers for you. You can pause here to complete your work. So next we are going to do question answers. Open your notebook. If there is space, you can start writing on the same page. If there is no space, you can turn on page to start it from the new page. आप दूसरे पेज से शुरू कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पेज कॉपी में जगह नहीं है. That page is filled. Answer these questions. So you will put the heading question answers. First question is, what was Rohan doing when his mother called him? What was Rohan doing? Question 1. What was Rohan doing when his mother called him? When his mother called him. रोहन क्या कर रहा था जब उसकी माँ ने उसे बुलाया? When his mother called him. जब रोहन की माँ ने उसे बुलाया तब रोहन क्या कर रहा था? आंसर, व्हाट इज द आंसर? रोहन क्या कर रहा था? रोहन वॉज प्लेइंग चेस. रोहन चेस खेल रहा था किसके साथ? विद हिज फादर. सो राइट डाउन द आंसर. Rohan was playing chess. Chess is a game. Rohan was playing chess with his father. वो अपने पिताजी के साथ चेस खेल रहा था. Now second question is, what is question number 2? Who were coming to celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family? Write down the question. Question number 2. Who were coming to celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family? दीपावली विद रोहन्स फैमिली. रोहन के परिवार के साथ दीपावली मनाने कौन आ रहा था? कौन आ रहा था? आंट सिमी एंड रोहन्स कजन्स वर कमिंग. सो आंट सिमी एंड रोहन्स कजन्स. राइट डाउन द आंसर. AUNT, aunt. Simi name, so S capital. Aunt Simi and Rohan's cousins were coming to celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family. celebrate Deepavali, you can write with small only. To celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family. Here students, I have written it small, make it capital. It is name of festival, so always in capital. To celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family. To celebrate Deepavali with Rohan's family. रोहन के परिवार के साथ. Aunt Simi and Rohan's cousins. Aunt Simi और रोहन के कजन क्या करने वाले थे? आने वाले थे. Were coming to celebrate. रोहन, आंट सिमी और रोहन के कजन्स आ रहे थे रोहन के परिवार के साथ दीपावली मनाने. Now third question I am going to write. For this I have to rub number 1. So I am rubbing it, students. Question 1 and answer. You can pause to complete. Question number 3. What is question 3? When was the house painted every year? Write down the question. When was the house painted every year? हर साल हाउस कब पेंट किया जाता था? सो कब किया जाता था? बिफोर दीपावली. द हाउस वॉज पेंटेड. राइट डाउन द आंसर. द हाउस वॉज पेंटेड बिफोर दीपावली. The house was painted before Deepavali every year. हर साल दीपावली के पहले घर को पेंट किया जाता था. नेक्स्ट इज स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव टू रब. यू कैन पॉज. आप यहाँ पर अपना वीडियो पॉज कर सकते हैं अगर आपने नहीं लिखा है. सो नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. I am going to write. Question number 4 is, what would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Deepavali? What would, write down the question. What would Rohan's mother and grandmother, what would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Diwali? Make for Deepavali. So your question is, what would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Deepavali? So write down the answer. Short answer we will write for this. They made many delicious items. What would Rohan's mother and grandmother make for Diwali? They made many delicious items for Deepavali. Next is students question number 5. Why did Rohan's excitement vanish? रोहन की एक्साइटमेंट खुशी क्यों गायब हो गई थी? So write down the answer. First write down question, children. Question number 5. Why did Rohan's excitement vanish? Why did Rohan's excitement vanished. रोहन की excitement क्यों गायब हो गई थी? So why his excitement vanished? Write down the answer. Answer 5. Rohan's excitement vanished. Rohan's excitement vanished because he took pledge in the school that he will not burst crackers on Diwali. Because he took pledge in the school that he will not burst crackers. Crackers, C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S. So why did Rohan's excitement vanish? रोहन की excitement क्यों गायब हो गई थी? Rohan's excitement vanished because he took pledge in the school that he will not burst crackers. क्योंकि उसने स्कूल में प्लेज ली थी कि वो इस दीपावली कोई पटाखे नहीं चलाएगा. ये उसे याद आ गया, इसलिए उसकी जो खुशी थी, एक्साइटमेंट थी फॉर द फेस्टिवल, इट ऑल गॉट वैनिश्ड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी विल राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. So next, question number 6, I have to rub this 3 to write down question number 6. You can pause video here to complete this. Question number 6, what is question 6? How did Rohan become happy again? Question 6. How did Rohan become happy again? रोहन दोबारा कैसे खुश हो गया? So, how did Rohan become happy again? Write down the answer. Rohan became happy again by hearing the names of sweets. रोहन दोबारा कैसे खुश हुआ? रोहन became happy again by hearing the names of sweets. मिठाई का नाम सुनकर वो दोबारा खुश हो गया. So students, in this video we have done word meanings, tick the correct option and question answers. So complete all this work. Have a good day. Thank you children. If you like my video students, don't forget to subscribe it to get my latest videos, and also share it with your friends and press like button and comment on it. Thank you.